Hey y'all, I got one way I can change your life in 2024, and that is by growing a vegetable garden. Now before you click off of this or swipe off of this, give me 30 seconds and I'm going to tell you why. One thing, it's going to improve your internals, like your stomach and your intestines. Second thing, it's going to improve your outside of your body. It's going to get you more active and more physically in shape. Number three, it's going to help your mind. You talk about a stress reliever to come home from work and go out there and check your vegetables. It's a great stress relief. Number four, it's going to give you a lot of personal satisfaction to go plant that seed in the ground and watch it come up and grow, and you tend to that plant and then you harvest that. There's a lot of satisfaction. Number five, it's going to get you back in tune with the earth. It's going to get you back the way God meant you to do, to get your hands dirty, grow something from the soil, and you're going to appreciate the earth a lot more after you grow something out of it to eat. Now, if all that interests you, I'm going to have a series on growing a small garden, starting probably next week, and I'm going to go over the location, amending the soil, prepping the soil, what you need to do on seeds, on seed buying and plants and spacing and everything, and anything you can think of, I'm going to go over in detail. And I have a series last year where I growed in the same spot. I'll put it in the playlist, and you can go back and see how much we growed in this little spot. So, and you know, I know what you're going to say. Hey, I work 40, I work 50, I work 60 hours a week. I don't have time, but you do, and I'm going to show you how to do it. And then make it easy, where we're maybe 2 weeks, 2 hours the first day to get it prepped, and then maybe an hour a week after that. So I'm going to show you all that in the series coming up after the start of the year. So I hope you join my channel and come watch this video series I'm going to have. It's going to be interesting. You're going to learn, you're going to enjoy it, and it's going to help your body, your mind, and your spirit. So the number one advantage you're going to have is you can ask me any questions that you need to know. You can leave a comment on any of my videos on the garden. You can send me an email and I'll answer, give you advice on anything. It won't cost you a dime. So that's another big advantage you're going to have. I'm going to help you along the way, and I want to help you. So I help, last year I've helped people in Chicago grow the little old thing on their back porch in a high rise. I advise them on what to grow and what kind of tomatoes they grow. So I help people for free, and all you got to do is leave a comment or send me an email, and I will help you. I promise you that. I'll help you get through. I'll help you grow this garden. I'll help you get the vegetables you want. Even if you buy fresh vegetables in the store, I think I heard somewhere that they lose up to 50 to 75% of their nutrients. So when you get your own garden and you pick that fruit off there and you take it inside, you're getting 100% of those nutrients in your body and in your family's body. So that's a huge advantage, huge. So keep that in mind. If you need some help, all you got to do is leave me a comment, send me an email. So come watch it, hit that subscribe button. That way you'll get notified when I post them, and check it out at the first of the year.